I use clove water 2 ways for glowing skin: to clear acne, pimples, and dark spots. Drink plus face spray. If you have acne, pimples, or stubborn dark spots, this clove water video will change your life. Because I'm going to show you how to make clove water for drinking and clove water spray for face and successfully use it to treat acne from the inside and outside. This is what my skin used to look like. This simple skincare routine has become one of my favorite beauty habits. And trust me, when you learn how to make clove water face spray at home for glowing skin, healthier hair, better digestion, better sleep, and a simple natural beauty hack, you will never stop because it is the easiest, most effective beauty secret in your kitchen. Before I show you how to make it, now this is why clove water will work for you. Clove contains an active ingredient called eugenol, which is a phenolic compound that disrupts bacterial cell membranes, which means acne bacteria that comes in contact with eugenol from the inside dies. And the acne bacteria that comes in contact with eugenol from the outside also dies, because you're treating it from the inside by drinking it and from the outside by using it topically. Eugenol is hydrophobic, which is a water-repelling molecule, which means it can easily penetrate the lipid bilayers and the bacterial cell membranes. Now we are going to make the clove into a drinking clove water tea and a facial mist. Welcome to Rachel Etta Beauty. My name is Rachel, over here with Glow and Grow. The first thing is picking out the cloves. Make sure you pick the cloves that still have the bud on it. You put that in a bowl and then I boil water, allow it sit for about 3 minutes, and then I'm turning it into the bowl. I will allow the clove water sit for 7 hours. 7 hours later, our clove water is ready and I'm going to filter that into another bowl. And just like that, our clove water is ready, and this is what we're going to use internally and topically to get rid of acne, pimples, dark spots, and for glowing skin. So I'll turn some of it into my wine glass and the other one will be going to a spray container. Next, I'll add in some honey. Honey is optional. If you don't want to add honey, no problem. You'll be shocked of how clove water will clear acne and pimples and reduce dark spots and give you glowing skin. Today, you will see clove water benefits. Now I turn the remaining one into a spray bottle. Our clove water glass skin combo is ready and everyone should add this to their skincare routine. Store in the fridge for 7 days. This is our clove water toner. If you want to use it, this one I use it daily. It's just a simple light something. I just spray it all over my face. Even if I'm going to use another toner, and sometimes I'll spray both toners. You use this. After this, you use your serum, and next you use your face cream. So this is how I use it. I just go like that all over my face. If you don't have a spray bottle like this, you can just use a cotton pad. Put the clove water in the cotton pad and wipe all over your face. Sometimes I use it in the morning, sometimes I use it at night, but I use it daily. At least most times I use it at night. Even if you're not going to use it every day, try to make it at least 3 times a week. But don't let it be less than 3 times a week. You will not see the results. You understand? Your facial toner, you use it every day, sometimes 5 times a week. So you can use this 3 times a week or 5 times a week or daily. It's not concentrated that much. It's okay to be used daily. Now for the clove drink, this you can drink 3 times a week. The honey is optional, so this is how you just drink it. Ah, sorry. This is so nice. It's so refreshing. There's just something about clove. Clove is spiritual, though. Honestly, I keep saying it, and it's like, what am I even saying? Clove is spiritual. This is one of the best. Whenever I drink it, there's a way I feel. I feel like a weight has been lifted up off me. That is what this clove makes me feel like. Don't sleep on this. When you start doing this consistently, you'll be shocked to why you didn't even know this existed. The things I can show you to do with cloves, if you know all of them, you will wonder how blessed that tiny spice is. When my skin feels dull or tired, I spray like mist all over my face and drink some clove water. It's quick, refreshing, and feels amazing. A beauty routine from the inside and outside, simple, affordable, and easy. Just like you moisturize your skin regularly. Healthy habits works best when they become part of your lifestyle. If you love this video, watch this video here. It's also about clove water. I use clove water in so many ways. I have other videos about clove water. I have like 5 or 6 videos here on my channel about clove water that does different things. If you're a woman who sees her monthly flow, like you see period monthly, check other videos about clove and trust me, you will love them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.